Hello guys, welcome to cybersecurity YouTube channel. So guys, today we are in the day 5 of best scripting series. So guys, in today's video, we will discuss about the function in best scripting. Don't worry, I will give the full playlist link in the I button so that you can access to the full playlist. And in today's video, we will discuss about the function. So without wasting the time, let's dive into the computer screen and start today's video. So guys, let's start with the function. So what is function in a base script? So guys, function is nothing but a block of code that we use to call again and again a single piece of code. So here we have the definition, like a function is a base in named block for reusable code that perform a specific task and can be executed multiple times within a script. So function is useful in the base scripting because it breaks the large script into the logic unit, avoid code repetition, improve readability, simplify debugging, and build scalable automation. So here we have the syntax like how to use the function. So first of all, we have to write the function name and then we have to provide the bracket, and within the curly bracket we can use our commands. So guys, don't worry about this, we will perform this practically in the script. So now let's learn about the global and local variables. So previously we know about the variables, like it stores the data, but we have two types of variables, like one is the local and another one is the global variable. So global variable is nothing but it can be accessible everywhere in the script. And local variable is the variable that works inside a specific function only. So now we will move towards the script, and there we can perform this practically about the local variable and the global variable, and we'll perform the function in the best script. So now let's move towards the script. So guys, now we are in the script. Like here you can see we have the sample1.sh, and here we can simply run that script. So guys, here as you can see, like here I have defined a function, like we have given the function name as welcome, and inside that you can see here we have the command, like we have used the echo command, and here I have written one simple line like welcome to the best script. So now after this block of code, here you can see we have called that function. So like here we have the global variable. Like to perform a global variable, first of all we have to define that variable. Like I have given the name, like variable name is name, and here is the value. And after that, here I have created another function and named it as globe. And inside that, here you can see I have used the echo command, and here I have called that variable. And after that, we have called the function. So we'll run this. So as you know, with this simple command we can run this file, and here you can see, like first we have called here the welcome function, and here is the output. Then here we have called the globe function, and here you can see the globe output, like here the echo value, here sorry, here the name value, and here the welcome value. But in case of a local variable, like when we want to use the local variable, that value only works inside a specific function. So we have defined here, like we have given the name as loc, the function name. So to define any local variable, like we have to use the local keyword, and here I have the variable name and here is the value. So inside that simple block, here I have used the echo command and we have called the text variable, and here we have used the name variable. As you know, text is the local variable and name is the global variable. So we can use that inside a block of code also. Like we have defined the variable outside the loc function, but we can use that inside the function also. And here I have called the loc function. And at this side, as you can see, here is the output. Like we have both the text value here, we have the name value here. So guys, like this we can use the local and global variable inside a function. So guys, don't worry about the notes and the scripts. I will give all the notes and scripts in the description so you can access to those. So guys, that's all for today's video, and in the upcoming video we'll learn more concepts about the base scripting. So like this video and subscribe to cybercrust YouTube channel. Thank you.